Good.
Left side.
Oh no, che do la butte. Check out there.
Ayo, apa?
Who's hurting who in this caravan?
Pardon?
Who's hurting who here?
I have no idea.
There's actually more stores here than I'm used to. Or maybe they're just like piled up in more places.
Real, it's all the same thing.
Yeah.
Literally, like the exact same product.
Coffee ninja. What about this? One plate for you.
There's the hidden pep right there.
Oh, I know that one. I like that one.
It's a little bit bigger than the other one. And the shoe tree? Weirdness incarnate?
Cavalier bands about picking their nose.
Yeah, I noticed that. I just ride up and pick your nose.
And touch things.
I used to get in trouble about that.
Used to.
Not in this country. Do you know the dirt cut off up the hill? I'll show you. Bear left across the street. Right where the red car is. There. Hello, man. Stay to the right.
How do you know where we are? Sardines made of barbed wire?
Right.
And holding plastic bags.
I have no sleeves on. We did get tetanus shots though, so.
We did.
Part of the requirement here. Let's see, where are we? And there's the mosque. It's a good looking mosque. Alright. And I'm calling it. Good walk.